Hey there, I'm talking to you, brother. You gotta get off that guy's head or you're gonna fall down and hurt yourself.
Oh, what do you mean? We're experts at this sort of thing, you know what I mean? We can stick together.
I'll show you the experts. We blue men are very good at gold. Watch this. I stand on his head, and I do not fall off. And he stand on his head. In the back, in the back. Very good, very... Oh, let's try to stand on there, and I'll be up at the top. Yes, 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 very good, very good. Oh, my gosh, they're all dead now. Not really. We survived because our heads are hooked together. Ha, 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 ha. Little do you know. All right, this is the GobiDex magnetic figures. This is the policeman army man set, and they're happy to be part of your life. Each has little magnets, but if you want to stack them, you have to alternate, or they'll fall over like that. So one in the back, one in the front. They do not stick with the arms. The arms do not stick. Nope. Anyway, that's the boys, and they're glad to see you. You see how tall they stand. They're approximately 1.5 inches tall. Very good. See you later. Goodbye.
So here it is. It comes in this cute box. I have it pulled out because it's heavy and I'm trying to do this one-handed. But you can pull these out, and these ones are little roads. I had my other magnet blocks. They're the same size. Oh, come on. We plan on opening this up and having them out for Christmas. How cool are these? My kids are going to love these. They're great quality. All the little magnets are set inside. Nothing's coming apart.